In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify card on Google Pay. Verifying your card makes sure it's ready for secure payments in stores, apps, and online. You'll need access to your Google account and the card's associated email, phone, or banking app so you can receive a one-time verification code. Start by opening your browser and going to payments.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account where the card is saved. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official Google site and that you have a stable internet connection. Once you're on payments.google.com, you'll land on your wallet or payments home. Here you'll see your saved payment methods. Look for the card that needs attention. It may show a message like verification needed or simply display a verify button. Click verify to begin. Next, choose how you want to receive the verification code. Depending on your card issuer, you might see options like email, text message, or your bank's app. Pick the method that you can access right now and that matches the contact details your bank has on file. If a method isn't available, that's normal. Some banks only support one or two options. Remember, codes are time sensitive and single use, so don't share them and be ready to enter the code as soon as it arrives. After you request the code, check your chosen channel. If you selected text or email, it should arrive within a minute or two. If you picked your bank app or statement, open it and look for a recent, small temporary charge, usually less than $1.95. The transaction description often includes the verification code. This charge is just for verification and will automatically drop off or be refunded shortly. Return to payments.google.com and carefully enter the code exactly as shown, then confirm to complete verification. If the code doesn't work, try requesting a new one and make sure you're checking the correct inbox or phone number associated with the card. Once the code is accepted, you'll see a success message and the card status will update to show it's ready to use. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page. That temporary charge will disappear on its own after processing. If you don't receive a code, check your spam or junk folder. Ensure you have a good signal for texts or try a different delivery method if available. Too many incorrect attempts may trigger a brief lockout, so waiting a bit before retrying can help. And that's it. Your card is now verified on Google Pay and ready for secure, hassle-free payments.